All this time wasted and all this time gone, you are still waiting on me. Every time you leave the house, remember you're not safe, but you are hardly ever. All those times that I could swear I heard you speak, you spoke in such low voice. Of how, if you could choose, you would choose not to feel, 'cause you are hardly ever happy. Sometimes I find myself standing in that step with eyes so black and unsure, realizing this is not where I want to be, not where I want to go. And I don't mean to brag, I don't mean to disagree, but I feel that you have failed to see. In order to love, you have to be all you can be, and mostly you have to love yourself. All this time wasted and all this time gone, you are still waiting on me. Oh, and if I could choose, I would choose not to feel, 'cause I am hardly ever happy. I'm